Hello everyone, in the previous tutorial we have seen about how to use horizontal lines in the latex, and this was the command for that, and this was the output. We got the line here. Let's see how to color these lines. For that, for any type of coloring in the latex you need to use the package called Xcolor. Let's use that package. Next, here use the command \color, define the color you want to use, give the space and close the parenthesis. Let's run this. You can see we got the line with the color red. Similarly, let's try with the color blue. Yeah, we got the blue colored line with the size of 4 points. You can change the size. So we got the bigger one. Similarly, you can use this with these comments. You can use colored lines wherever you want in the entire document. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you.